Hey friends, welcome back to SheriTV. Today we are once again unboxing our beautiful GlobeIn subscription box. I get excited just about the inside of the box, you guys. It's so pretty. And it's like the same color as my whole house. I just can't help it. I love this teal. GlobeIn is so unique and so different. They are a sustainable organization that supports artisans all around the world. They are a verified member of the Fair Trade Federation, which means that they pay artisans fair wages and make sure that they have safe working conditions. They make donations to their communities and to their causes and to their personal needs, and it's just the coolest organization. And of course, we do have a discount code for you. This box was sent to us as a gift from GlobeIn for review purposes, but all of our opinions are, of course, our own, and we will always be honest with you. The discount information is in the description of this video, but essentially you get 50% off your first box in a 3-month or longer subscription by using our link and our code. The code is Cruise Gear, and you will find all of that information below. So this month we selected the Seaside Box. One of the things that makes GlobeIn so cool is you get to select from lots of different boxes every month, and there's just a huge variety from kitchen to bath to travel to cocktail type items. There's really a lot to choose from, and you can even do add-ons. So let's go ahead and see what is inside of the beautiful Seaside Box. Now, I did get rid of some of the protective packaging in the box because I didn't want to be messing with it and having all that noise and then having to throw it away on camera. So know that the box came very well protected. I just wanted to get rid of a little of it, but I actually haven't opened anything. It's all fully sealed. See how noisy it is? It's all fully sealed. So let's go ahead and start with the first item. This is going to be the whitewash terracotta shell bud vase, and this was made by an artisan in Bangladesh. So let's take a look at this. This is our first item. So pretty. As you can see, it's just a very simple terracotta shell. You fill that with water, pop some buds in there. You can certainly put more than just one single flower in here. You could put a little arrangement. I think you could easily pop some dried flowers in here as well. I could see some lavender looking really, really nice in here. But for me, I think what I would love to do is pop in the springtime a few white tulips in here. I think that would look so gorgeous and would be so nice in a nautical themed home. So that's the first item. Very versatile, also very giftable. If you get something in your box where you're like, maybe I won't use that, you could always give it away to a friend as a hostess gift or around the holidays. Okay, the next item in this box is what sold me on choosing this particular theme box, the Seaside Box this month. And this, I'm reading from my list to make sure I get it right. This is the small Capiz shell wind chime in blue and turquoise. And this one is from Indonesia. So let's open it together. I have a lot of wind chimes in my house, none of which are Capiz shells. I used to have a Capiz shell lamp in my home many, many years ago, and I just really have been missing having an item like that. So sorry for the noisy unpackaging, but you know I like to unbox everything live with you, so you're getting all the reality here. Now, I know that with Capiz shell things, they're always very delicately stringed together, so what I'm going to try to do is very gently hold this up and see if we can just get it to expand. Oh, yes, it's not tangled at all. Oh, you guys, look at this. I can't believe that it opened up so flawlessly without being tangled. I've never had that happen with anything that was like a wind chime or Capiz shells. This is what got me. It was this beautiful, beautiful nautical looking wind chime. Do you know what it reminds me of? Sea glass. Doesn't it just look like the most gorgeous shades of sea glass that you would find? Oh, that is just so beautiful. I can't wait to hang it outside. I'm almost thinking of hanging it decoratively somewhere in my home instead of using it as a wind chime. I think that could be just so pretty. I don't know where I'd put it, but I don't want to put it down. It's just so gorgeous. Here's one more final look at it before we move on to the last item. I'm just going to kind of I guess you don't have to be too delicate with it, but I did gingerly place it down. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. The last item in here is so fun and so unique, and I can definitely see myself using this. This is a fish table runner from India, meaning it's a table runner with fish on it. It's not for fish. Let's pull it out and look at it for the first time. Ah, this is so cute. Look at this. I can see myself using this actually on my outside picnic table when we have company. Now, it's rather long, so I'm only going to show you half size. There it is. I wish I had the dimensions on this with me, but I don't. I'm guessing it's about 48 inches long, maybe. Does that sound about right, Mr. Cruise Tips TV? Maybe even a little bit longer. This is quite long. So many awesome uses for this. Very, very cute. If you have a beach or nautical themed home, so cute. Even if you don't, it's just darling. I'll give you a closer look at that. Isn't this cute? So naturally, because we at Cruise Tips TV love cruise travel and all things nautical, that's what drew me to this box, was it sort of had this like unique feel, but everything was sort of different from the other item. You know, you had the bud vase, which is nothing like the wind chime, and the table runner, which is just totally unique, but yet they all do really tie together in a special, beautiful way. I hope you have enjoyed this short unboxing today. Don't forget to take advantage of our discount code if you're interested in giving GlobeIn a try. It is a wonderful subscription. We have been partnering with GlobeIn for probably about 6 months now, maybe even longer, and we have just received some of the most beautiful items. If you want to see more of our GlobeIn unboxings, we'll link to a couple of them, a couple of our favorites in the description box. Some of my favorites, really, I have to say, they have been cocktail related. I've got some of the most beautiful kind of margarita type glasses and pitchers that I'm very fond of, and just so many great things. And it is really also a wonderful gift idea. So if you're thinking about that person in your life that maybe the holidays are coming up, I know it's a little bit far away, but if there's someone in your life that maybe has everything and you're just not sure what to get them, you could always get them a 3-month subscription to give GlobeIn a try using our discount. Remember, you get half off your first box in a 3-month or longer subscription. Thank you so very much for watching. If you already get GlobeIn, would you let us know what box you chose this month in the comments below? Until next time, friends, go do something beautiful.